Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. If it won 25% of them, how many matches did they win? Let us find. Number of matches played by cricket team. Number of matches number of matches played played by cricket team is equal to 20, right? Now percentage of matches won. Percentage of matches won is equal to 25%, right? Therefore total matches won by them, therefore total matches won by them is equal to 25% of 20, 25% of 20. 25% is equal to 25 by 100. 25% of 20, that is 25 by 100, of means multiply into 20, right? Now this 0 will cut, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, and it is 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, that is equal to 5. Okay, how many matches did they win? Therefore hence they won 5 matches. Hence they won 5 matches. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.